Eh, gusto ko lang naman kasi malaman mga type mo. Para alam ko lang, ganun.
Alam mo ikaw, you're overthinking it. Just be yourself. Pero actually, bet ko talaga yung mga opa-opa, kuri-kuriya.
Anayo! Discuss niyo, nem siya na, yo.
Saka gusto ko din yung mga Thai pala, yung mga Raikan Toppingi.
ผมสวยจังครับเหลือเลยนะครับผมต้องแขนแบบนี้เรียบแล้ว
Pero now that I thought about it, pinaka-bet ko pala Japanese.
お前はもう死んでる
Pero di yung mga anime, more like mga cute-cute lang.
1、2、3、4、ありがとう。
Pag-ibig ka muna kaya, ang dami tao. Kumain na lang tayo. I'm craving Japanese food tuloy.
Say no more
Let's go to Tokyo Tokyo and try their 4 favorites promo. Enjoy your pick of your favorite bento, donburi, and ramen plus 4 glasses of red iced tea for only 899 pesos.
Try naging Japanese. Uy, thank you ang sarap. Saka ang dami. Good for 4 pala tong set na to. Balik tayo dito
Babalik talaga tayo kasi the 4 favorites promo is valid only for dine-in transactions. Tapos hanggang March 31, 2025 lang siya. Kaya kayo, visit the nearest Tokyo Tokyo store near you na.
Uy, after pala nito gusto ko ng dessert. I'm thinking Indian yogurt.
Why don't we finish this food and then we'll think about it later?
Or I just 2 more to go and then we're leaving. Can the people at the back try to sit properly? We're supposed to fit 9 people each side. Backlaren. What is wrong with you? My sign literally says Poti Alabang. Are you joking me right now? 500. It's 7 a.m. Yes, Mr. Officer, I was just driving straight and he already saw me coming. But this bloody idiot still decided to make a left turn anyway.
Girl, ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. Alam mo yung parang may pumipitik-pitik. Hala ka, girl. Ganyan nangyari sa pinsan ko eh. Ayun, wala na siya dito ngayon.
But girl,
Nasa Canada na. Doon siya namatay.
Ano ba yan natin? Tagal mo ng boarding. Alam mo, ikaw napaka-impatient mo talaga kahit kailan ka. Napaagalan tayo ng dating. Mag-boarding din yan. 45 minutes na lang, oh. Ano? Airport crash to Okinawa. Ay, baby boy. Ang syarap. Ay! I mean, itong spicy wishy prawn crackers kasi. Ang hal.
Yeah.
Bagay kayo, babe. Pero parang tambay sa gym. Red flag yung mga ganyan, babe. Yung kausap niya, tignan mo yung kausap niya. Ang cute ng kausap niya. Type na type ko. Ate for the corporate. Oh, bagay kayo. Mga ganyan bit ko eh. Mga CEO nagpapa-concert. Ate, ibang CEO yun. Ah, sorry. Daddy? Mga Nashi! Ay, ma'am! Di ang tagal mo. Kanina pa kami dito. Kaloka.
Ganda ng portfolio mo. Can you tell me more about your previous job? During my 3-year stay sa previous company ko, I was able to streamline several processes and have aided their implementations. This was done by upskilling... Galing naman! Ka muna, Thank you. Well, I do take pride in being hardworking and confident. Paano yung hardworking? Patingin. Hardworking nga. Yung confident. Confident. With a heart pa. Conflict management will be such an important competency in your role as a supervisor. Can you tell me how you're able to manage conflicts before? Bigyan kita eksena. HR office, hearing. Rigor! Si Tanggol! I think all good naman tayo, but before we give you the job offer, we'd just like to let you know that we are going to be requiring you to be here in the office at least twice a week. Magiging hybrid setup na kasi tayo. Carry lang po, kasi meron naman akong Grab Unlimited subscription na ngayon, meron ng Grab Car discounts every day. At eto pa, free delivery sa Grab Food every day. Laking tipid kasi 48 pesos lang per month ang annual subscription. Alright, here is the job offer. Just read through it and let me know if there are confusing jargons. Jargons? Pinapanood ko yan ngayon eh. House of the Jargon! Hala, akala ko yan yung cartoons. How to train your jargon!
Yes. Pero diba, kasi as a mom, I'm happy that everyone gets to come home pag holidays. You know, I get to see my kids, spend time with them, cook for them. Sabi ko nga sa anak kong si Wancho,
Anak, alam mo naman how your dad and I value quality time with the family, kaya you come home na, anak. Besides, winter in Massachusetts is terrible. Buti pumayag ka mo. Kaya, ayun, where's the camera? Juancho, Stella, hi guys. If you guys are watching, I miss you so much and I'll see you soon. Ay, napaka-sweet talaga, tsaka napaka-heartwarming talaga ng relationship ni Ma'am Chilis tsaka ng pamilya niya, oy. Speaking of heartwarming, huwag po kayong aalis dahil sasampulan tayo ni Mamilis ng kanyang cooking skills sa pagbabalik ng Magandang Mars! Yan, so tatakpan lang natin siya and we'll allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. Pero of course, hindi na natin mahintay yun, kaya nag-prepare na ako ng luto na. Ito na po ang ating roasted beef and mushroom gravy. O, diba? Ma'am Shitab, tikman na natin. Ayan, sige. Masarap po siya, Ma'am Shitab. Oh, okay. Pero masarap siya, Ma'am Shitab. Nasaan sosyal? I'm glad you liked it. You know what, Ma'am Shitelms? This is also my way din kasi of giving a jolly Christmas to my family and friends. Kaya dapat bongga talaga ang food. That's why I use Jolly products for my Noche Buena dishes. Yes, yan po yung mushroom na gamit natin kanina. At dahil dyan, lahat po ng live audience natin today ay mag-uuwi ng Jolly products for their Noche Buena. Isn't that great? Have a jolly Christmas, everyone! Ma'am Shilis, thank you so much sa pag-guest sa amin dito today sa Magandang Mars. Ako, maraming salamat sa masayang kwentuhan at sa lutuan ako nabusog para naman ako doon sa anong tawag doon sa roasted beef and mushroom. Pero, nagulat si Ma'am Shilis. Sorry, Ma'am Shilis. TikTok tayo. Bago tayo matapos today, Ma'am Shilis, meron kaming surprise para sa'yo. Roll VTR! Hey, Mom!
How are you? We just want to say we love you and we appreciate you so much. Thank you for being the best mom and very supportive mom, even though we are far from each other now. Do you want to say something?
So excited to see you soon, Mom.
Yeah, see you soon, mom.
Ayan, you made me cry again. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga karapatan ng isang bata?
Makapag-aral po.
Yes na yes for you, mother. Ang karapatang makapag-aral.
Maring, ang dinig ko ba, yung bunso ni Joy, tumigil man daw sa pag-aaral. Ayun na nga, Mari. Kawawa naman yung bata, sayang yung taon. Pero ang tansya ko dyan, Mari, nabuntis. Hoy, saba ka diha, Maring. Sana panagutan siya pag ganun nga.
Ang karapatang maisilang.
Maiba tayo, Mari.
Labag po
Si
sa
Janice,
batas,
ba't nandito yan? 4-piece pala yan? Di ba pa na-flex na sa social media ng mga bago niyang appliances?
Asas, napaka-pritso. Purpis din naman pala.
Sige.
Pupusta ako, Mari, may sugar daddy yan.
At napag...
Ako naman po tayo sa financial
Sarinang anlay.
planning. Bilang mga magulang,
Saan ka ba galing? Pero makay pa kasi ako ng labada kay Mama Arlene. Abi kakarating lang ng bill ng aming kurente. Diyos ko, Pauro, day, napakataas. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko kukunin ang pambayad, tay. Ito nga mga Mari, kumuha naman kayo sa akin ng leche plan. Tingnan nga, mura lang. Magkano man yung isang ganito, yung malaki?
Ipautang mo naman.
Kaya maliit.
the Republic Act 9136 for the Electric Power Industry Ring. Girls at laba, kanina pa kayo maingay.
Pasensya na ho kayo, ma'am. Umi-extra laang naman ho akaw. Pandagdag pambayad ng kuryente.
Naintindihan ko naman po, nanay. Kaya nga po dapat talaga kayo makinig sa discussion ko kasi ngayon, meron na tayong tinatawag na Meralco Lifeline Rate Discount.
Paano ako mag-apply? Madali lang.
At Juday,